This weekend, we're taking the Jeep deep into the Gifford Pinchot National Forest. Heading south from Randle towards Trout Lake. We're chasing a fire lookout, a mountain pass, waterfalls, and hopefully the perfect river campsite. But with early season roads, snow patches, downed trees, and changing weather, we'll have to see how far we actually make it.
In our eyes, four-wheel drive on a winding bend. That's where the good times start again. Climb that ridge, hear that roar, freedom waiting past the forest floor. Every mile just makes us sure we were made for something more.
This is a great little camp spot. A little early for camping, but it's off the side of the road. So I pinned it on our Gaia for maybe next time. Like this little path right down here to the little creek. Oh wow. Definitely gonna have to come back and find this spot. And it looks like there's an adjoining spot right on the other side of the creek. Wow. Definitely a good spot for next time. So we are heading up to Burley Mountain Lookout. And check it out. I've never actually been to a lookout.
Yeah.
Okay, the one at Lower Devils doesn't count. But
A little bit rainy today.
yeah. But it's so far the road is a well-traveled gravel road.
Yeah.
Some twists and turns.
And it's not pouring, it's just sprinkling on and off.
Yeah.
You know, like Washington.
You know, yeah, it is June in the Pacific Northwest.
Yeah.
My luck, we finally get up here to check out the lookout. And we're not even going to be able to see the lookout with all the clouds. Okay, so the sign right there says Burley Mountain, 1 mile up that road. So we're hoping that's it. We thought about that road up there. It looks like a better road.
Yep.
But it's probably not it. And the first time we went down that dark green road and turned around, that wasn't it. So now we're going to try this, what looks like a sketchy road going up here.
Yep.
And hopefully that's the right way. I think it will be, but it's snowing, so we'll see.
Yeah.
Looks like we're going to drive off the end of the world.
Yep.
It's a good spot for a lookout. Yeah. Burley Mountain Lookout was built in 1934 and is one of the only 3 remaining lookouts on the Gifford Pinchot National Forest. The views, when it's not covered with clouds and snowing, can include Mount Adams, Mount Rainier, Mount St. Helens, and Mount Hood.
The door's already ajar. Huh. Yeah, the registry book. Low ceiling.
Wow, that ceiling is 6'7".
Can't see crap, but
We signed the registry, and boy, this would have been cramped quarters to have to live in here.
yeah.
A chair, that's where the wood stove used to go.
Wood stove, a little cot.
Yeah. This must have been all their supplies. Everybody's got to write on shit, because
They're, yeah.
we're watching it. You can see it, but it's not picking it up very well. It's snowing. And it is June 6th. in the Pacific Northwest. I don't know what elevation we're at.
No. I do not know.
Yeah.
This is definitely not how I expected it to look.
The snowy and white part?
Yeah. I thought it.
It's just like the other one.
Yeah. Amazing.
I know.
Whoa, hairpin. Dang, it's cool with this.
I know.
So we're in patches underneath the tree canopy, and then you can see the snow coming down in the gaps. It's cool.
I know it is. It's very cool. So we pulled over into a campground to stop and have some lunch, and we are having meatloaf that I made in the Hot Logic. So I just did up the meat, hamburger and stuff, and made it into a loaf and stuck it in the pan in the Hot Logic and plugged it into the Jackery. Takes about 2.5 hours, and we have meatloaf. What do you think? How is it?
It's really good. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it.
All right, well, it's 5:13 in the evening, and we did not find any dispersed camping spots along the road. So we figured we would stop and camp at the Lewis River Lower Falls campground. But the campground is full, no first come, first serve, reservations only.
Which is surprising because it's just a little Forest Service campground. Didn't expect it to be that.
I didn't expect it to be full.
No.
So we're gonna head back to 23 and head back north and see if we can find any place to camp up there.
Yeah, we weren't really looking for dispersed too much because I wanted to get to that falls.
Yeah.
It was beautiful.
Oh yeah, they were.
Definitely worth it.
Definitely. We did miss the upper falls and the middle falls.
What was the first one we saw?
The first one we saw was Lewis River Falls. And then there's upper falls, middle falls, and lower falls.
Oh, okay.
So we missed the upper and the middle just because it's getting late, and if we did both of those hikes, even though they're only less than a mile, about a half a mile.
Yeah, they were definitely longer than the other two.
Yeah, the lower falls was just a little jaunt down to the river.
Yeah.
All right, what do you think of this one?
I think it's pretty good. I think we can get the lumberjack out to, it's going to come out to about here.
Yeah.
Set up our fire pit.
Yeah. There's a little bit of wood.
Got to get on a raincoat.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, it is not just drizzling.
No, it is raining.
It is.
Okay, so we pulled onto the highway and noticed a sign for a horse camp. So we pulled up in there and it's completely empty. No reservations needed until June 15th. So we found a little spot that has a wee bit of a dry area under some trees so we could at least get stuff out. And we're going to set up the Slim Jack first.
Yep.
So then we can cook dinner where it's dry.
Right.
All right. Okay, so we are trying something new for dinner tonight. I came up with an idea for a recipe, and I gathered all of the ingredients, but Rob has no idea what I was thinking or what it's supposed to look like. So
Just what I have.
Yep, just what he has, and this is the first time he has seen the ingredient list.
It looks good.
Yeah, so now he needs to figure out how to put this all together. Okay, the meat and cheese doesn't go with it. That's appetizers.
That's because we're hungry.
Yes, and neither do the frozen eggs. I had the fridge on too cold. So, let him sit out and thaw. So, now he needs to take all these ingredients and make a yummy dinner. You think he can do it?
Challenge accepted.
All right.
I think I know what it is.
Ish.
I just have to figure out the order.
Yeah.
And dry ramen, but only 1.5 cups of water.
Well, you can use whatever water you think is acceptable.
Okay. Well, I don't know what you looked up, but I think it looks like teriyaki chicken shrimp stir fry on ramen noodles. And that's what I'm going to shoot for.
All right.
Mosquitoes.
Yes.
Because it's got ginger.
Mm-hmm.
Got sesame oil. It's got sriracha, brown sugar. It's going to be good. Let's get into it right now. So I think the cooking oil is for cooking the chicken. I'll cut that up into strips and fry that off. I think the sesame oil, garlic, brown sugar, soy sauce, ginger, sriracha, salt and pepper is all a sauce. Probably needs to be simmered a little bit. Then I'm thinking pour that off, cook the ramen in the water, bring in the cooked chicken and the sauce, put the shrimp in last. Oh, I gotta sear those out. I gotta cook all that stuff off. Okay. Bring these in last because all they really need to do is heat up. They take nothing to cook. So that's what I'm gonna try. Something green in there. Looks like either it's from the forest or it's from the kitchen. I'm not sure which. Steaming some broccoli over the meat and peppers. But the lid's a little small. All right, I'm going to pour that stuff into this bowl.
Okay. I think that looks good.
Okay.
Look at that, all nice and thick.
Wop. Toss to reheat.
Final product?
Yeah, I'd say so.
All right. What do you think?
I think it's good. Got some sriracha on it for some flavor, and noodles are cooked good. The chicken's good. I think it's good.
All right.
What was it called?
Shrimp ramen stir fry. And I added the chicken because we had it.
Oh, okay.
So we got the fire started and the dishes all cleaned up and the food put away.
Yeah.
So we are going to watch a movie and before we head in for the night.
Yep.
Have a little bit of a cocktail and some sweets. So otherwise, we will see you in the morning.
See you in the morning. Good morning from the Twin Falls Horse Camp on the Lewis River. We've been up a little bit, made some coffee, made a fire, got warmed up, got some fresh clean clothes on. We used our diesel heater for the first time last night, and I had test run it in the garage a little bit to get the thing pre-primed or whatever. And last night it worked like it was supposed to. We started it up and it started, and we had it poke through the door on the tent. And we ran it for a while before we went to bed. And while we were waiting for it to warm up, let's watch the end of our movie, we heard some really eerie howls. And which didn't seem very far away. We were just putzing around a little bit, and all of a sudden, we're like, I didn't need to hear that right before bed. So we're like, oh, probably an elk or something. And then it happened one more time. Like, well, maybe an owl. Let's just say an owl. And we never heard it again, so we lived. But it was odd. And something I wanted to show you guys. Look at this freaking tree here. I mean, my arm span is probably almost, is more than 6.5 feet. This is a giant tree. And there's another one over there, which just bigger than I usually see in the woods, you know. I thought that was cool. So today we are we're planning to hit a couple of the falls here on the Lewis River. We went to the Lewis River Falls and we went to the lower falls, but we didn't do the north or the upper falls and the middle falls. It's a little bit of a hike down to those. We didn't have time last night. So we're going to hit those two things, and then we're probably going to shoot over to Trout Lake, and then I think we're going to come up the freeway to get home. But before we do anything else, we'll probably make a little bit more coffee and get some breakfast, and then get cleaned up, and then we'll be headed out. So if you like this content, you enjoy hanging out with us, click the subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost anything, means a lot to us, and we would certainly appreciate it. So.
So we pull into the trailhead to start the hike for the middle falls, and it starts raining. At least it didn't rain while we were packing our stuff.
How far is it walk?
Like 0.6 miles. We just finished the middle falls, and we were going to head up to the upper falls, but then realized we're a little short on gas.
Yeah, we took the gas cans off.
Yeah, so we're going to head into Cougar instead.
Yeah.
Fill up with gas and then head home.
Yep, we're going to check out a couple of lakes. What'd you say, Swift Reservoir and
Yeah.
something else?
Something else.
We've never been over there, so still exploring.
Yeah. Stop and get some gas.
Stop and get some gas.
Yeah. So, that's it for this video.
Thanks for hanging out.
Rob and Christine, Trail and Tread Adventures. We'll catch you in the next one.